Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your THAR's Bluetooth system. First, ensure your THAR's ignition is turned on, as this powers the infotainment unit. Next, take your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth function. Then, navigate to the infotainment system in your THAR and access its settings menu. This prepares both your vehicle and phone for a seamless connection process. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option from the available menu choices. You will then see an option to pair new device. Choose this to begin. Now, look at your mobile phone's Bluetooth settings, and you should find THAR listed as an available device. Select it to initiate the connection from your phone's side. After selecting THAR on your phone, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the THAR's screen. Confirm this request on both devices to proceed. Once confirmed, a message will display on the infotainment screen, indicating a successful connection. You can now enjoy playing audio or making hands-free calls through your THAR system. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your mobile phone and the THAR's infotainment system. It often resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old, unused pairings from both devices to free up connection slots. Finally, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable mode, allowing the THAR to find it easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.